Back out, folks. So I'm going to get the hammock up tonight. I think it's one tigris hammock I'm going to put up tonight. I've got a one-wind tarp. Get a bit of cooking done later on. Don't know what the weather's to be like tonight. I think it might rain, but it's only a bit of rain. So stay tuned. Let's get the hammock up. That's us set up. So I've got the one tigris hammock, one wind tarp. What I'll do, I'll prep some firewood, get all that ready for tonight, and then we'll do a wee bit of cooking later on. So tonight, I watched a video the other night. It was kind of Dutch food. So tonight we're going Dutch. So stay tuned. When I bring you back, I'll probably start to get dark, but we're going to have some Dutch food tonight. Well, some of it's Dutch, some of it isn't, but stay tuned and you'll see what it's all about. It's all went dark. Right, it's went dark, so it's been falling for hours, absolutely pouring down. So the rain's went off, so I'm going to get a wee fire going. We're going to get cooking, and like I said earlier, we're going Dutch tonight. So let's get the fire on. Cheating as always, fire lighter, nice and easy, get a fire on quick. 2 colours. We're good to go. That'll do it. Just stick one at the top. Fire on. Not be long. Let that kind of burn down a wee bit, and then get all the cooking gear out. Right, cooking wise, I've got the Bitty Big Q grill out with me again tonight. I really do like this. It's an ingenious bit of kit. So I'm going to use that along with, well, you know what I'm going to use. The trusty SP32, the Petromax. So while that's burning down, I'll get this set up, and then we'll get cooking. So, oh good, fire's going. The fire is on. So like I say, I'm just going to let that burn down, and then I'll show you what we're cooking tonight. Right, I've got some chopped up fried potato, a couple of different colours of peppers, and then let's try these. We're going Dutch. Pork Frikadellen. So how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 5. I'm sure I'll manage them. So we're going to try cooking these. I'm just hoping that you can fry them and it's no, oh yes, to fry, gently heat in a little oil, 8 minutes, turning frequently. Oh, these will be ready in no time. But what I'll do, I'm going to cook the potatoes off first. Once they're more or less done, I'll stick the 5 of them in and we'll be eating in no time. Stay tuned. Stick a bit of oil in. They're cooking in no time. Sizzle time, I think. So potatoes first. Sizzle, cast. So we'll get them kind of fried down first. And then we'll get that, is it Frikadellen? Wee bit of Dutch scrub tonight for a wee change. Potatoes coming along nicely. Oh dear, I'll just stick in the peppers now as well. Why not? Right, potatoes, peppers, they're coming along nicely. Time for the Dutch connection. Right, I was going to stick 5 of these in, but I've not got enough room in the pan. So 3 will have to do. I'll have the other 2 before I go to my bed. So Frikadellen, pork Frikadellen. That's what's cooking tonight. Good to go, I think. Right, let's see what these bad boys taste like. Before we do anything, I'm just going to look a wee bit much there. Just going to stick a wee bit of mustard on the top. Oh yes, let me at it. So, pork Frikadellen. Very nice. Time for the taste test. Roasty toasty. Lovely. I've only been to Eindhoven once. That's the only time I've been in Holland. But I can remember we went. First place I've ever been, they'd like holes in the wall that sell all this kind of food. You just pop some money in, and you slid this thing to the side, and you took out Frikadelle and all sorts of things, like chips with. It was like chips with kind of mayonnaise and mustard, I think it was. But they were good as well. Oh, tremendous. It's almost like a kind of pork burger, but if I remember right, I think there's kind of onion in it as well. But it was very good, I must say. Eating machine. Anyway, I'll get tore into this. I'll bring it back in a minute. Stay tuned. Oh, they were good. Very nice indeed. Well, time for a brew. So, in the woods again. You cannot beat it. So I'm gonna, this is a Friday night, so out the back, just out the backwoods again. No, it is lockdown, but we fire on, hammock up, we're good to go. So I'm gonna, tomorrow night, I'll do another live show, Saturday night, 8 o'clock, be there. And then I think the following week I'm not going to do any live show because I'm going to go and do a camp. I think by that point we're allowed out. Oh, I cannot wait, I cannot wait. So I think the plan is going to do a wee summit camp up the top of a hill somewhere. So looking forward to that. Light's starting to fade off the fire now, so not long after this I'm going to head into the hammock. So, oh, just a bit, we're just a bit in darkness. Oh, bit of light in the matter. Right. I'm going to have this brew, and I'm going to hit the sack. Not too late tonight. Get up early in the morning. Might even go and do a wee hike tomorrow. Don't know where. Saying that, I don't know what the weather's to be like. I don't know if it's pouring with rain tomorrow. But again, it's only rain. I'll maybe go out and do a wee hike during the day and get a hot tent up tomorrow night. Oh yes, a good old hot tent. If you've not got a hot tent, you need to get one because they are superb. I'll probably not have that out as much this summer, or I'll maybe take it out, but I'll just maybe not take the stove. I want to try and do more. Can I just take my lightweight tent and, I don't know, just get out hikes, places, and going to different places and up hills. And the West Island Way, that's on the cards this year. Oh, I can't wait for that one. But right now, I'm going to finish this brew, then I'm going to head into the hammock. Right folks, we're in. So I'm going to say good night for me, it's good night for him. We'll catch you in the morning. Adios. Oh. Up in the morning, I've said morning, I was going to go up early today, but I guess nearly lunchtime. I slept that well, so I'm going to get up. I'm going to get up. Going to go a wee hike. So we'll go a wee explore somewhere. Why not?